Build your own Jarvis, a voice AI assistant that books your calendar and sends your emails. Built with Claude, Lovable, N8N by a voice assistant you talk to like Iron Man's Jarvis. You tap a glowing screen, say, book me a call tomorrow at 2, and it checks your calendar, books it, and talks back to you. It can also send emails for you, all by voice. Claude builds the whole thing for you from one prompt. You don't write any code. This guide walks you through every step. Total setup time, about 20-30 minutes. What you need before you start. Connect your tools to Claude. You'll need accounts for these. First, Claude, that's where you run the prompt. Next, N8N, this is the brain that does the work. Third, Lovable for the voice screen, a Google account for calendar and Gmail. And you'll need an AI model key from either OpenAI or Anthropic. This powers the assistant's thinking. In Claude, you connect outside apps through connectors. Connect these four: N8N, Lovable, Google Calendar, and Gmail. If you don't see one, search for it in the connector directory and click Connect. You'll log in once to approve each. Step 2 Pro, set up your credentials inside N8N. This is the step most people skip, and it's why their build fails. Do it now. Log into your N8N account and add these credentials: Google Calendar, Gmail, your AI model. Important, your AI model prompt. Add an OpenAI or Anthropic credential and paste in your API key from their site. Open a new chat in Claude, copy everything in the box below and paste it in. Then let Claude work Hub. It'll build the backend in N8N and the voice screen in Lovable automatically. Build me a Jarvis voice AI assistant using Lovable and N8N that books appointments on my Google Calendar and sends emails from my Gmail by voice. N8N backend POW. Build and publish this workflow. 1. Webhook trigger POEST path Jarvis, respond via respond to webhook node, course allowed origins, expects JSON, and use my existing working credentials. Once Claude says it's done, open the live link on your phone. The AI agent node is connected to a chat model, leveraging your LLM credentials, and simple memory with a session key, ensuring it remembers the conversation.
First, use the calendar tool to check availability. Then, create the event with attendees if a guest email is provided. Google Calendar tool, create event with attendees, only used when a real guest email is given. Gmail tool, send message.
3. Agent system prompt must include the live current date/time via now Lale in my time zone. I can't resolve tomorrow. Please book immediately when date, time, and topic are given. It defaults to 30 minutes, never ask answered questions, and reply in 1 to 3 plain sentences. Respond to webhook returns, reply, agent output. Use my existing working credentials cow. Verify they're connected, don't create new ones. Lovable front end, voice first sci-fi HUD. Tap to talk using the web speech API with live transcript on screen. Send the final transcript to the N8N webhook with a persistent session ID.
Speak replies out loud with speech synthesis. Split into sentences and cue them so long replies don't cut off. Pick the most natural English voice available.
I understand. Let me find that information for you. Thank you. And conversation mode is active. I'm listening. After building, test a real booking end-to-end through the production webhook and check the execution logs board. Fix any errors before telling me it's done.
Once Claude says it's done, it'll give you a live link ham. Open it on your phone or computer. First, tap the glowing circle, allow microphone access when your browser asks. Then say, "Am I free tomorrow at 2 p.m.? Book a call tomorrow at 2 p.m.
5. Check your Google Calendar Dell. The event should be there. Voice works best in Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Firefox doesn't support voice. It'll fall back to typing. If something doesn't work, Bog, just tell Claude what happened in plain English. It can read its own error logs inside N8N and fix the problem. Try saying, "The booking isn't working, bud. Check the N8N execution logs and fix the error." The 4 most common issues and the prompt above already prevents them. It keeps asking the same questions. The memory isn't reading the session ID. It doesn't understand tomorrow because it's missing the current date in its instructions. Bookings get rejected, the empty attendees problem on Google Calendar. Calendar won't connect, a disconnected duplicate credential in N8N. If you hit any of these, paste the issue to Claude and tell it to check the logs and fix it. Thank you, and now you're ready to use Jarvis. Follow for more such videos. Message me Jarvis, and I will send the complete step-by-step guide that you can use to integrate it.